Hi, I'm Kay Walten with Smart Pineapple. Welcome to Seen, Booked, Sane Shorts, a fast shot of news, truth, and strategy for indie stays, small hotels, and every corner of hospitality. Today's hit, Airbnb's temporary numbers, privacy, or control. Here's the move. Airbnb is testing fake phone numbers that vanish 2 days after checkout. You and your guest can call or text like normal, but the line shuts off. Even if they share their real number, Airbnb replaces it. The only channel left open? Airbnb Messenger. That kills your follow-up. No number to save, no relationship to build, no chance to invite them back directly. And remember, Airbnb's policy says calls and texts can be recorded, transcribed, and even analyzed for marketing. Masked numbers aren't new. But in Airbnb's hands, they don't just protect privacy. They lock every guest touch point inside the platform. So how do you win? You build your own channels early with guest consent, pre-arrival forms for emails or SMS, Wi-Fi portals that capture logins, QR codes, in-room linking to perks, WhatsApp or SMS for service and future offers. Then always recap key calls in Airbnb Messenger. It protects you and shows professionalism. Here's the bottom line. Airbnb will keep changing the rules. The best hosts keep changing the playbook. Build your direct channels now while you still can. This is Seen, Booked, Sane. Stay human, stay booked. See you next time.